Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present to you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings, or Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 132. So here it is. Let's read the story. Since Ji-Yan finally already known that her father was not in good condition, that's why Akshu, she booked a flight to help her. Now she fall asleep on the plane. She was dreaming about what happened before. For so many years, I have planned everything for you and for your own good. Now, I can tell you right, I can control you, do I? You don't have a father anymore, don't you? Turns out her father is really scolding her. That's what you think. It's good. Not what I want. Jian told her father. So, I was wrong. Well, that was a rough fuss. I'm sorry, you are not. I have no freedom. All for so many years. Jian told them that she is also a human, but she's not treated well. It's like she's not a doll, that she's been dressing up. Did you ask what I want? So it turns out she was rebelling on her parents when she was young, and now she's been scolded. Well, you have to be free. Give you freedom. Count me in the law. Sorry for you. My family can afford you. The big Buddha. If you step out of the door today. So it turns out, on that day, she will leave her parents. Her father told her, if you step out of this door today, I don't have you as a daughter. Chi Changgao. Now her father is really getting angry. There are no students like you at Tsinghua University either. Don't hang our name. Stunning and humiliating. Her father told her before. Because of anger, she's been scolded so much on that night. You have a bad school habit. What can you say? Even her mother, turns out, she doesn't care also. But back then, it was really too tough for her. On the last time, she bowed down on that night. Well, is she going to apologize? It seems that she's been quiet. Well, definitely, she know to herself that it was really wrong to talk about like that on her parents. Back then, she really left her home with her own reason. Her mother and father doesn't approach her on that time. Now, after a few years, of course, she is ready to come back. Well, let's see on what will happen this time. Since it really take long to come back, there's a lot of things happening to her. No words to say. At this moment, the important thing is to see her family and also to see their condition. But that time, before she went out, her mother gave something to her. I don't want to accuse you of anything anymore. I just want you. You're responsible for the choices you make yourself. Well, on the last time, it really never regret. Even though she left the house, well, her mother, it turns out, she is not really for granted. She gave her something, and her mother told her, I can help you at home. You can take care of yourself. On that last night, she really teary. Her mother's words are really sinking on herself. Her mother really wished for her, I hope her dream will come true, and you can become successful. Well, after a long journey, on that night, remembering the flashback from being independent, and there's a lot of things happening to her, remembering those things, now finally, she can come back home again, even though it takes long, but maybe she's really willing to settle the old score with her parents, the memories, and being strong, together with Akshu, performing on the streets. When everyone is noticed her, it seems that she really get what she already dreaming for. On that time, performing on the street, someone was approaching her. Maybe on that time, her dreams are going to come true. She put down the guitar, gave it to Akshu, and she stood up. Now suddenly running through. Maybe on that time, her dreams. She's trying to reach her dreams. Well, let's see on what will happen next, since she's going to see her parents. Let's solve. The old score can be settled. Thanks for supporting. Skylar, thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.